Hello guys, today we're gonna make a very delicious dish. It's gonna be Chilaquiles Rojos with a fried egg. And this meal is good for any time of the day. In Mexico, traditionally it would be kind of like a hangover breakfast, but it's good for even late night munchies. Alright, so let's get started. The main thing to do is the salsa roja. For this, pour 2 cups of water or chicken stock in a pot and bring it to a boil. Remove the stems and seeds from the guajillo chilies to avoid extra bitterness. Leave the chili piquin whole. Prepare the rest of vegetables. Peel the garlic, peel and quarter the onion, and for the tomatoes, use the best you can find. I'm using a mix of tomatoes here. Add the chilies and vegetables to the boiling water. Bring the heat down, cover the pot, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Blend everything well and strain the mix to get rid of seeds and bigger bits. This salsa should be smooth. Then you need to fry the salsa. This is a crucial step for cooked salsas and guisados in Mexico. To season, add some chicken stock cubes if you start with water, salt, and Mexican oregano. If you can't find it, don't use any other. And that's the salsa. Keep it hot on the stove. Moving on, crack the egg and fry it on some butter at low to medium heat. To assemble, heat up a saucepan, add the tortilla chips. I'm using the chili and lime for some extra kick. Then the piping hot salsa and mix to coat the chips. Pour over the plate, pour some more salsa, and dress the chilaquiles with your favorite toppings. I'm going for acidity and creaminess with yogurt and cheese, the fried egg, and I finish with spring onions and fresh jalapeno for a herbal touch. I'm gonna crack the yolk here, so I have a little bit of everything. Oh wow, that's tasty. I think this is one of my favorite recipes. Please try it at home. Let us know what you think, and until next time.